Welcome to ISL Enabled Virtual Lab of CSIR.
Environmental air quality monitoring by drones. Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles or UAVs, are equipped with sensors and cameras that help collect important data from the atmosphere. These drones are increasingly used for environmental monitoring, especially for measuring and analyzing air quality. Advantages of drone is accessibility. Drones can easily reach remote or hazardous areas where it may be dangerous for humans to go. This allows scientists to collect important environmental data without putting human health at risk. Another advantage is precision. Drones are equipped with advanced sensors that can collect high-resolution environmental data. This helps researchers understand air pollution levels more accurately. Another advantage is provide real-time data collection. They can quickly measure and report air quality conditions, which helps authorities make timely decisions to protect public health and the environment. Drones are capable of detecting different types of air pollutants. These include carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, particulate matter, and volatile organic compounds. They are also useful for identifying the exact source of pollution. For example, drones can detect emission coming from industrial plants, vehicular traffic, or agricultural activities. During emergencies such as fire, chemical spills, or natural disasters, drones play an important role in disaster response and management. They can assess the impact on air quality without putting human lives in danger. Drones also help with regulatory compliance and environmental enforcement. Government agencies can monitor pollution level and ensure that industries follow environmental standards. Modern drones systems use advanced technologies to improve environmental monitoring and air quality analysis. Drones are equipped with sophisticated sensors that measure air quality indices and detect specific pollutant levels in the atmosphere. These sensors can also collect meteorological data. Another component is data analysis software. The data collected by drones is processed using advanced algorithm and machines learning techniques. These technologies help analyze air quality patterns, track pollution trends, and even make future forecasts about environmental conditions. Drones also use advanced communication systems. These systems allow real-time transmission of collected data. The information can be immediately sent to databases or control centers. In addition, drones offer cost-effective monitoring. They reduce the need for expensive fixed monitoring stations and large human teams. Another benefit is comprehensive coverage. Drones can monitor large areas and collect more environmental data compared to traditional monitoring methods. They are also useful for environmental impact assessments. Scientists can study the impact of industrial projects or urban development on air quality, both before and after construction. With continuous improvement in battery life, sensor technology, and artificial intelligence, drones are becoming even more powerful tools for environmental monitoring and air quality analysis. Looking ahead, the future of drone-based monitoring is very promising. With continuous advancement in drone technology, improvement in battery life, sensor accuracy, and artificial intelligence will make drones even more powerful tools for environmental research. Another exciting development is the integration of multiple monitoring systems. Data collected by drones can be combined with information from satellites and ground monitoring station. This creates a more complete and accurate picture of air quality. Finally, drone data can support public health applications. By analyzing air pollution levels, authorities can issue public health advisories and help reduce people's exposure to harmful pollutants.